Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special in store for you, the ultimate guide to wooden flooring. Whether you're planning a home renovation or just curious about the world of wood flooring, you're in for a treat. We'll explore the different types, features, and even guide you through the installation process. Let's dive in. 1. The beauty of wooden flooring. Wooden flooring is renowned for its timeless beauty and warmth it brings to any space. It's a classic choice that never goes out of style. But before we delve into the types, let's talk about some of the features that make wooden flooring so special. 2. Types of wooden flooring. When it comes to wooden flooring, you have options. Here are some of the most popular types. Hardwood flooring, known for its durability and rich, natural beauty. Engineered wood flooring, a more budget-friendly option that offers stability. Laminate flooring, affordable and easy to maintain, often mimicking the look of real wood. Bamboo flooring, sustainable and durable, perfect for eco-conscious homeowners. Parquet flooring, elegant and intricate, with unique patterns. Cork flooring, soft underfoot and naturally insulating. 3. Features to consider. When choosing wooden flooring, there are some important features to consider. Wood species. Different wood species have unique colors and grain patterns. Waterproof. It is also resistant to scratches and a strong layer that protects the floor. Plank width. Wider planks can create a more rustic look. Durability. Consider the hardness of the wood for the level of foot traffic in your space. Installation type. Decide between nail down, glue down, or floating installation. 4. Installation process. Now, let's talk about the installation process. While it's often best to hire a professional, here's a general overview. Prepare the subfloor. Ensure the subfloor is clean, level, and dry. Lay the underlayment. Install an underlayment to provide cushioning and moisture protection. Start installation. Begin laying the first row of planks, leaving an expansion gap around the edges. Stagger planks. Stagger the end joints for a more natural look. Secure planks. Depending on the type of wood flooring, secure the planks by nailing, gluing, or clicking them together. Trim and finish. Trim the edges and apply the finish of your choice. 5. Maintenance and care. Sweep or vacuum regularly. Remove dirt and debris. Use mats. Place mats at entrances to minimize dirt and moisture. Wipe up spills promptly. Prevent water damage. Recoat or refinish as needed. Refresh the finish when it shows signs of wear. In conclusion, wooden flooring is a timeless choice that can transform any space. With various types, features, and installation options, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your home. If you found this ultimate guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us.